This is where we do finger puppets.
Okay, Merry Christmas, and I'm glad that you're doing this show together, David, Turkey.
That's right.
All for Operation Smile.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know about Operation Smile?
Yes.
It's extraordinary.
It's a novel.
It's extraordinary. I just learned about it and educated myself a little better. It's an extraordinary group. They're really doing what they set out to do. It's wonderful.
And of course, one of the beneficiaries is Turkey.
And it's hard,
It's a great story to believe.
Yeah, it's hard to believe. She's absolutely gorgeous in every way. You want her to tell the story?
Briefly, you were operated on...
I was operated by Operation Smile when I was 4 years old. And yun po, na-successful po. Pero dalawa yung operation ko. First, yung hindi successful sa Cebu. Tapos, yun po, yung kadalawa po, Operation Smile.
And now you're sharing your talent
Look at her.
to the world.
And she's gorgeous and she sings incredibly well. So this is a gift for all of us. She can sing.
And so, I think it's only true. Ano song is even in the...
Ano po, yung Tell Me, tapos We Walk Away, In Our Hands.
Okay.
Tapos
And can you sing If You Walk Away? Yung refrain lang. Any song.
Yung ano po.
What do you want?
Got to believe in magic. Tell me how two people find each other in a world with full of strangers. Got to believe in magic. Something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love.
Great, David.
Baby.
Thank you.
And the good news is that more people will benefit from your cause.
Yeah, we want to make sure that absolutely we want to make sure that more people know about it, and so we really get people to contribute, get doctors on board, the more and more. It's of concern. I mean, there are a lot of people in the Philippines who need this operation in cleft lip, cleft palate, and it's very difficult in every way. It's accumulating with test, and it needs to be handled, and it can be handled, and this group is actually handling it. And they're doing a beautiful job, so we need to get more happening.
We're glad that you're creating awareness early on before that cause.
Well, you know,
your shows will be on Feb yet. But,
Yes, I just wanted to add, they've been around for 26 years and doing this wonderful work. So I'm the neophyte, I'm the new one. So anyway, just wanted to share. It's great.
So what did
My managers, Mark and Christine Manon from Ultimate Entertainment, they brought it to my attention, and I went, what? And they said this, and I went, what? And I'm so glad that they did it.
Okay, Turing, ano masasabi mo sa pambihirang pagkakataon nito?
Happy talaga po. It's a dream come true po. Kasi, ano lang po, nag-watch na ako sa kanya sa TV, yung nasa ASAP siya. Tapos, hindi ko nakala na, oh my God, duet na, mag-duet kami. Yun po, excited na po. Thank God talaga. Kasi, sinong makala na nagpalit ako tapos David Pomeran.
I think I understood what she said. It's nice to say it's a moment. Thank you.
I mean, you believe that, a previous client, married person will perform the David.
All right. Look at her. And she's an extraordinary singer. You will hear her. You'll be very amazed.
You must love the Philippines.
I do. 22nd time. 22nd time. I live on the airlines.
So, Filipino ka na? Filipino ka na?
Filipino anak, yes. I am. I've become utterly Filipino. Yes.
In many ways.
Many ways. I was raised with my family similarly to how Filipino families are raised, with a very close touchy-feely, everyone kisses each other, everyone hugs each other together for holidays. So it's not foreign to me at all.
At alam mo, Charlie, na nakakanta na siya ng Tagalog. Yung Pasko na Sinto.
I was really amazed po. Hindi ko nakala. Marunong siya mag-Tagalog.
Paano nga? Pasko na Sinto.
A sample, okay. This is a Gary V song, as everybody knows. Here I go. Pasko na, sinta ko, hanap kita. Bakit nagtatampo? Lilisan ako.
Wow, great. Okay, with that, our invitation to everyone.
Okay, now we're going to do it in Spanish. Please, everyone, come to see our shows in late February. We're going to be in Davao, we're going to be in Cebu, we're going to be at the Sofitel in Manila, 28th, 29th of February, 1st of March. And we're going to be doing this to benefit Operation Smile. Get everybody on board.
So please watch po talaga. Ma-amaze po kayo. At ano po, support us please for Operation Smile. And I'm doing this because I want to inspire everyone. So please watch.
It's very inspiring.
Very. It's very special. Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
And Malagang Pasko to you. And to you.
Universal and favorite.